Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the file into Goldwave and matching key settings so edits are predictable. First, open or drag the audio into the workspace. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match your target. Once loaded, scan for noise and silences using the waveform display so you know where to trim. Next, set playback and loop points and choose single file or multi-track mode, depending on whether you need layered edits or a simple track. Now you perform the core edits. Select segments and trim or split with keyboard shortcuts to keep workflow fast. Use effects in small increments. Preview noise reduction, EQ and compression to avoid artifacts, and undo if a filter overcooks the sound. For layered work, switch to multi-view to align clips, adjust relative volumes and pans, and add crossfades to mask edits. Once an edit sounds natural, normalize levels, and listen. Finish by exporting with correct settings for your delivery platform. Select format, sample rate, and bitrate. Include metadata if needed. Before export, run a final pass, check peaks, ensure no clipping, and aim for roughly -1 dB headroom. Once done, save a project file so you can re-edit later. If something goes wrong, use the history panel to jump back, or reapply a conservative noise reduction and render again. This prevents destructive changes and keeps your original intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.